Hey, what's going on, guys? Kings here. In this video I'd like to share the great honor I've received recently from Gerd Isenberg, who is the maintainer of Chess Programming Wikipedia, the best ever resource on chess programming on the internet ever. So if we just type King within the search of Chess Programming Wikipedia, it finds my page at the very first row, basically. So here is my real name. And also it even finds a couple of engines that I've already written, and here is the page itself basically, and also all the chess engines I've ever published on GitHub are available. So some of them even have some separate links. An example of this, BBC, which stands for Bitboard Chess, a chess engine that we're currently working on within our Bitboard Chess Engine in C series here on YouTube. Also my rare projects, maybe not very rare, but my recent projects like Bare Minimum Chess Program, inspired by Micromax Chess Engine by Harm Gerd Muller, and things like that. So also the JavaScript version here, and my very early engines are not yet covered within the articles. Well, I'm not sure if they're ever about to appear. If they don't, it's not a big deal, because nothing really interesting there, to be honest. And this Wukong is the chess engine that I've been covering partially here on YouTube as well, within the hexadecimal 88 mode generator series. And obviously the links to the source code are available here on this page as well. And also, if you're interested about the Talk Chess posts I've ever posted there, you can also have a look at all the posts I ever made since 2018 and until present, basically. So that's kind of it. And I really want to pay tribute to Gerd, because he helped me to realize my true purpose here in chess programming world. And the idea is actually not trying to make the strongest chess engine in the world ever, but instead trying to make chess programming available for the wide range of people, basically. Even those having poor programming skills are really welcomed here, because that's the exact way how I started back in those days. I didn't know how to code at all, but I was really interested in how chess engines works, and eventually I needed actually to learn how to code. And later on, believe it or not, programming has become my job, and now I'm a freelancer working mostly in Python and doing web scraping and web development, as stated here on this Chess Programming Wikipedia. So guys, thanks for supporting me, thanks for watching, and again, a great thanks to Gerd Isenberg for giving me such a great honor and placing my profile here on Chess Programming Wikipedia. This really helps me to realize the path that I'm following now, and to make it even more clear. So I hope I'm waiting for you in my tutorials, and really hope they would help you to understand how chess programs works in great details. So my approach is actually try to sometimes sacrifice the C programming language best practices in order to get the most of the chess programming techniques, actually. So I'm just trying to focus on the inner processes, on the inner mechanism of how chess engines works. I'm trying to build the bricks that it's made of, basically, and trying to divide and conquer every single brick as much as I can. And eventually, with those bricks in mind, you can build something on your own, basically, and that's actually my goal. So as far as you have an understanding of what in particular should get involved into a chess engine, then you can easily implement this on your own using whatever practices you like, whatever programming patterns you like, and basically whatever programming language you like as well. So you can go object-oriented way, you can go like I do, you can use global variables like I do, you can use see structures and then pass into pointers and so on. So I just want to provide the solid basis for chess programming techniques themselves. And also I'm trying to make material as modular as possible, because even though from the performance perspective it's often a good idea to combine everything, to unite everything to make engine faster, but I have slightly different goals, and that's the reason why every part of the chess engine, well, say the move generator, is completely modular. Say the search, it's modular as well. And even when it comes to, say, move ordering, I'm not really scoring moves within the move generator like most normal people do. I'm doing this on the fly within the search itself, so regardless of move generator basically. And that's the idea, to show, to separate every single chess programming technique, like say move ordering, like put it in separate, and that's it. And that's the best way to pick up the very gist of every single technique introduced in whatever video on this channel. So that's kind of my approach, my path, and my ideas. And when you have the understanding of how every single part works in separate, you can then combine that on your own and do literally anything. So instead of just cloning an existing chess engine that we're creating here on YouTube, you can just have an understanding of the basic concepts, and then bearing on those basic concepts you can start your own engine absolutely from scratch, and there won't be any plagiarism. So it would be absolutely your own chess engine. So this chess programming channel is just a matter of sharing the ideas, like the core parts of whatever chess program. And I was trying to make it implementation agnostic as possible. So that's kind of the idea here. Okay, guys. So this is it from my side. I'm sorry for interrupting our bitboard chess engine in C series, and starting from the next video, we just come back and go on. Okay, so have a good day. I wish you all the best, guys. Until the next time, and take care.